In developed countries like America and Germany, France or the European nations, all the power quality mitigation strategies are designed from a what-if perspective, whereas in developing countries like India, it is more so after the power quality problem has occurred, we try to figure out solutions. Good power quality is in fact essential for good throughputs and a higher lifetime of all the equipments. Much of the power quality today in India is focused on harmonics per se, because we see a lot of capacitor bank failing, and that is all connected to a whole lot of non-linear load coming up onto the grid. You've got electricity boards coming up and telling people that they need to filter out their harmonics, otherwise they would be levied penalties.
सेल के साथ साइट पे जाना, क्लाइंट के साइट का सर्वे करना, उधर एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम क्या है, उसकी तरफ से क्या डेटा हम लोग को चाहिए वो कलेक्ट करने के बाद उसका एक स्टडी करना, एनालिसिस करना और क्लाइंट को बाद में एक प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट करना, मीन्स एक सॉल्यूशन देना.
PQ would definitely benefit the oil and gas sector, rubber industries, steel industries, textile manufacturing, especially where there's a lot of automation which is coming into all these segments. You have to have the knowledge, you have to have the technology, you have to have the infrastructure, and you have to have the people. We are a totally integrated company for reactor power compensation solutions, with a focus being on harmonic filters for the next 3 years. Because we understand power quality so well, we could definitely solve any and every need in power quality for most of our clients. We have standardized a whole lot of our data collection templates, a whole lot of our engineering documents. At the same time, we also conduct regular seminars within the company for upgrading the knowledge quotient of all our engineers as well as our other workforce.
हर एक क्लाइंट का एक रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग टाइप्स है, जो जैसे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के काफ़ी सारे मॉडल्स है, मैक्स फॉर DTY, मैक्स फॉर TY, मैक्स पावर.
We've put in our field experience to develop something which was like truly world class. We configured a product which would work for Indian conditions, and now we are very sure that it would easily work without any problems anywhere else in the world. This order actually saw us putting in a lot of energies into actual designing of the system for a plant which is not yet commissioned or which is just on paper. So a lot of data which was collected during our earlier years with different industries had to be put on the drawing board, had to be modeled using mathematical models. And pretty much there was a lot of simulation done to actually arrive at results. Being technical goes a long way. We know what we are delivering, we know what we are designing, and we know what is going out of the PMX table.
हमारा जो भी प्रोडक्ट अभी डिलीवर हो गया है, इंस्टॉल हो गया है, उसका जो परफॉर्मेंस है अभी तक डिज़ाइन वाइज फेल नहीं हुआ.
Reactors was one of the first backward integrations that we've had. What we figured out was a lot of thyristor switching modules, which is basically a key component for providing dynamic power factor correction for welding loads as well as very fast moving loads. So these have been two really strong backward integrations. We're putting in all our efforts to build an Indian multinational company. If people start regarding PMX to be a benchmark in the harmonic filter and power factor correction industry, that would be the ultimate success for our company.